Tuendelee, let's look at the second application of Zener diodes, which is voltage regulation. A Zener diode with a breakdown of 2 volts. Make sure you're always using a resistor with your Zener diodes to protect from overcurrent. Connect the voltage supply across it in reverse bias. Use the multimeter to measure the voltage drop of the Zener diode. As you increase the voltage supply, you realize that the voltage drop across the Zener is being maintained around the breakdown voltage, which is 2 volts. So right now we are supplying 32 volts, but the Zener diode is clamping that voltage to around 2.6. You can use this sort of voltage regulation to power appropriate components by placing them in parallel with the Zener diode. Say, take a 2.5 volts LED.